Namaste class, welcome again. Now in this class we will solve section D of your paper. Okay, so first let us see 23rd question. Here I have written already this 23rd question. Okay, the question is draw the frequency polygon for the following data. You have to draw the frequency polygon. So question is for 4 marks, but it is simple. You have to draw the frequency polygon. Now they have asked to draw the frequency polygon. That means histogram is not required. Okay, so here what we do, class, we have class, first write class, then you can write its mid value. Okay, so class, we have first class 0 to 5, then its mid value will be 2.5. How you find mid value? Lower value plus upper value divided by 2. Then you have 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. So 2.5, then it is 7.5, then it is 12.5, here it is 17.5 and here it is 22.5. Now here if the difference is of 5, here also you will get difference of 5, so easily you can calculate. So consider this as value of x. And now third column is frequency, so this is considered as y. Here for frequency polygon we have frequency 16, then here we have 4040, 32, 24, 8. Now we will take one data before this 2.5, which is at a distance of 5, so that will be minus 2.5, and we will take one data. For that we will take frequency as 0, and we will take one data after this 22.5, so that will be, we will add 5, so it will be 27.5, and for this also we take frequency as 0. Okay, we have to draw frequency polygon. So now we will draw it on the graph paper. So for that let us take one graph. Better I will use this side to plot the graph. Now in graph we don't have negative values. Okay, if we see, along x we have positive value, along y we have positive value. So if I move on this side, okay, the whole line will increase, no problem. Okay, so no problem, I will reduce it a little bit. So let us move this, because the value at the bottom I don't require, so for that we can adjust it somewhat like this. Okay, now here along x-axis we will mark point as 2.5, then 7.5, then 12.5, then 17.5, 22.5 and 27.5. So you have marked these values. This value you will write, this is 2.5, then we have 7.5, then we have 12.5, then we have, okay, so like that. Better what I do, You can write vertically also if you find it difficult. Just erase them. Again, instead of doing this, let us draw lines. Okay, that will be much better. So I have one line which will indicate x-axis, and then I have one vertical line. So we erase them all. Now draw one horizontal line and one vertical line. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Along x-axis we mark point as. Now this is okay. At a distance of 1 centimeter you can mark 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, then 22.5, 27.5, and on left you will mark one point here, minus 2.5. Along y-axis our frequency is, minimum value is 0, maximum value is 4040. So with a gap of 5 we can mark. So 5, 10, this is 10, then 15, this is 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. Now for minus 2.50, one point is here. We take this point. We will start from here, and last point will also be 0. Then in between we have for 2.5 frequency is 16. So for 2.5 we will mark 16. Now in 1 centimeter we have a difference of 5. So each two line will indicate a difference of 1. So 25, for 25 we are marking 16. For 7.5 we are marking 4040. So point is here. Then for 12.5 it is 32. So 12.5 it is 32. So somewhere here you are going to draw it on graph paper. So your drawing is much better than mine. For 17.5 it is 24. So 17.5 it is 24. Somewhere here. For 22.5 it is 8. For 22.5 it is somewhere 8. Then I will join all these lines with a straight line like this. Okay. So the diagram which I will get is called a frequency polygon. If you want, you can write here scale. So along x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5. Now 5, what values are indicated along x-axis? Class. Draw the frequency polygon from the following data. So class means class interval is given. So write 5 unit. That's it. And here along y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to, here also 1 centimeter is equals to, we have taken 5 unit. Now let us go to the next problem. The problem is a wall of length 10 meter was to build across the open ground. The height of the wall is 4 meter and the thickness of the wall is 24 centimeter. If the wall is to be built up with a brick whose dimension is 24 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter, how many bricks would be required? Or other question they have given, a dome of building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at a cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface of the dome and volume of air inside the dome. Okay, so I will try to cover both the questions. Now first, a wall of length. So for wall, So for wall we will write dimension. For wall length is given 10 meter. Now for brick dimension is in centimeter, so convert this in centimeter. So this will be 1000 centimeter length. The height of the wall, so consider this as breadth of the wall, which is 4 meter. So this will become 400 centimeter, and thickness, consider it as height, which is 24 centimeter. So actually length, breadth and height, they are nothing but they are 3 dimensions of any object. Okay, so height we have considered as 24 centimeter, so it is already in centimeter. This is for wall. Now for brick, the dimensions are, I will take small l, 24 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So I am going to construct the wall with the help of these bricks. So the total volume of n bricks, suppose there are n bricks, so total volume of n brick will be equal to total volume of the wall, or I will say that number of brick required is volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. So number of bricks required, we have to find number of bricks required. Okay, this is the simplest way. Number of bricks required, n is equals to, we can say that volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. Now volume of wall, so you can see that I have not calculated volume because I have to divide, so most of the things will cancel. Now here 1000 into 400 into 24, 1000 into 400 into 24, and denominator we have 24 into 12 into height is 8 centimeter, so 8. So this 24 and 24 I will cancel. So this 24 and this 24 will cancel. Then with 8 I will divide, 8 5s are 40, so this becomes 50. Then this 12, so with 4 I can divide. Now here a length is given, a wall of 10 meter to be built on open ground, height is 4 meter and thickness is 24, and here 24, 12 and 8 centimeter. Okay, so with 12 I will divide, so 4 3s are 12 and here it is 4 2s are 8, 2 24 5s are 20, 250. So this is 250 into 50, so 250 into 50, 25 5s are 125, this is 125,000 divided by 3. So let us divide this 125,000 with 3, or directly you can cancel, no problem. Here when you cancel, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 20, 3 6 are 18, 0.67 you can say. So number of brick n is equal to 4166.67, that is approximately 4167. So 4167 number of bricks are required to construct the wall. Now the next problem is in, or we have a dome of the building is in the form of hemisphere. From the inside we have to whitewash. Cost is given. Cost of it was whitewashed at a cost of rupees 498.96. So total cost is given, and cost of whitewash is 2 per square meter. So here we will write total cost and cost per square meter or centimeter, just check, per square meter, 498.96, and this is per square meter, rupees 2. Okay, Now total cost is total area multiplied by cost per square meter. Na? So total cost, we know that total cost, it is equals to inside surface area, because inside we are doing whitewashing. So inside surface area multiplied by cost per square meter. So total cost is 498.96. This is equals to inside surface area, we don't know. So let us write it as S into this cost is 2. So therefore surface area will become 498.96 divided by 2. So it will be 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 9 the 18, then 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16. 249.48, this is surface area. Now the formula for surface area we have. So for hemisphere, inside surface area, the total surface area is 4 pi r square. So inside surface area is 2 pi r square. So the value of 2 pi r square is 249.48. Now let us just check what we have to find. The inside surface area of the dome. So inside surface area, so we have got inside surface area, then volume of the air inside the dome. So for volume of air, we need to find value of R first. Okay. So here we have got inside surface area, or at last I will write, no problem. So here I have 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into R square. This is equals to 249.48. So therefore value of R square will be equals to it is 249.48 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. So let us see if it is divisible by this 22. For divisible, it must be divisible by 11. Na? First let us divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are. So 127.74. This 2 we have cut, then with 2 again I will cut. So it will be 11, and here we cut. So we get 2 6s are 12, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 7s are 14. Now with 11 I will cut. So 11 5s are 55, then 73, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77. 5.67, R square is 5.67 into 7. Is it correct? 5.67. Okay. So R square is equals to 5.67 multiplied by 7. If I take 7 common from here, 7 8s are 56. So this is 0.8 and 7 is 7 into 7 I can write. Why I am writing like this? So that I can write this in square form. So this is 0.9 into 7 the whole square. So this gives me the value of R is 0.9 into 7, 0.9 into 7. So this is 6.3. So value of R we got. Therefore volume of air inside dome is equals to 2 by 3, 4 by 3, so it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into value of r is 6.3, the whole cube. This much meter cube air will be inside. Now you multiply and write your answer. So this is how these two problems are solved. Now let us see this 25th question. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So this problem is exactly from your textbook. Okay, if you remember, a circular park of radius 20. So let us draw a circular park. So this is a circular park, or better, I will use the shape of this circle. So now this is a circular park. 3 friends, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance. So one is sitting here, another is sitting here, and third is sitting here. So they are at equal distance. Ankur, Syed and David, they are sitting at equal distance. Now if I join, I will get a triangle like this. Now this triangle is equilateral triangle, as each side is going to be equal. They are at equal distance. So if arc is equal, so chord will also be equal. Okay. Now radius is 20. So from this point S, if I draw a perpendicular, it is going to pass through the center of circle. This is center O. I have to find what is the length of AD. Now let us mark this point as ASD. Let us mark this point B. So here I will say that draw perpendicular from point S on side AD. You can write whatever is given. What is given? You have given 3 sides, AD, AS and SD. Okay, 3 sides are given and they are all equal. So given, you can write that this is equilateral triangle. We have drawn perpendicular from S on side AD. Now this is the right angle triangle. I will do one more construction. I will join O and A. Draw perpendicular from S on side AD and join O and A. So I have 2 right angle triangle. Now here length OS, this is 20. Okay, this length is 20. Now side AS we don't know. Let us consider this as A, this as A, and this whole side as A. Now SB, it bisect the opposite side. Okay, so bisect the opposite side means this AB is equals to BD. So I will say that AB is equals to BD. Let us consider that AS is equals to SD is equals to AD is equals to A, and AB equal to BD. This will be equals to half of AD, which is equals to half of A. You can say that this is property of equilateral triangle, or perpendicular from vertex to base in an equilateral triangle bisect the base. Okay, so therefore AB is equals to BD is equals to half of A. You consider this as equation 1. Now I will take triangle ABO. In triangle ABO, this OB square, angle B is 90 degree. So therefore OA square is equals to AB square plus OB square. Now this is 20, so this is 20 square is equals to AB is A by 2, so this is A by 2 square plus this OB square. Now value of OB square we don't know, so therefore we get OB square is equals to 400 minus A square divided by 4. Therefore OB as square root of 400 minus A square divided by 4. Also in triangle ABS, also let us consider this equation too. In triangle ABS we have AS square is equals to AB square plus BS square. We have AS square is equals to AB square plus BS square. Now AS, value of AS is small a, so this is A square is equals to value of AB is A by 2, so this is A by 2 chi square plus value of BS, value of BS is value of BO plus OB, so SSO plus OB, so SO is 20, so this is 20 plus OB the whole square. So therefore I get A square minus A square upon 4 is equals to 20 plus OB the whole square. So this is 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square. So therefore 3A square divided by 4 is equals to 20 plus OB the whole square. So from here I will get the value of, therefore I will say that 20 plus OB is equals to, I will take square root, so it is root 3 divided by 2 A. Now the value of OB, here we have got the value of OB square root 400 minus A square upon 4. So therefore 20 plus square root of 400 minus A square upon 4 is equals to root 3 by 2 A. So therefore this 20 I will move on that side. This square root of 400 minus A square divided by 4 is equals to root 3 divided by 2A minus 20. Now I will square on both the sides, so I will get A square minus 400 minus A square upon 4 is equals to, here I will square it, so this is 3 upon 4 A square minus 20 root 3 times A plus 400. Now this 400 and 400 we can cancel. This will go on that side and this will come on this side. So we have 20 root 3 times A is equals to 3 divided by 4 A square plus A square divided by 4. So this will become A square. So therefore I have 20 root 3 is equals to A. So value of A we got 20 root 3, therefore value of 2A is equals to 40 root 3. So as here radius is given, radius is 20 meter, so length of each string is 40 root 3 meter. So therefore I will say that length of each string is equals to 40 root 3 meter. Okay, now without actual division prove that this is divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. So without actual division we have to prove that this is divisible by this. So what you will do, chalo, let us write px and qx. Now px is better I will rub this problem from here so that I have enough space to solve here only. Okay. So without actual division, I have to prove. So here I will say let Px is equals to, enlarge it little bit, Px is equals to x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3. This is Px. And Qx is, it is x square plus 2x minus 3. Now Px is divisible by Qx if Px is also divisible by all the factors of Qx. Okay. So I will say that Px will be divisible by Qx if Px is divisible by all factors of Qx. Okay. So let us factorize Qx. Qx is x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we find two values, or we split this 2x in such a way that their addition will be equal to 2x and their product will be equal to minus 3. So this is what 3 and minus 1 will give me the required factors. So this I will take x common. So here it is x plus 3. Here I will take minus 1 common. So again it is x plus 3. So I have Qx equal to x plus 3 in one bracket and x minus 1 in another bracket. Okay. Now I will find out the remainder, okay, for this Px when it is divisible by x plus 3. So therefore by remainder theorem, remainder of Px when it is divisible by x plus 3 is P of minus 3 is equals to, now P of x is P of minus 3 I will say. Now first let us write what is Px. So here Px is, in the problem, Px is x power 4 plus 2x cube. Here Px is, okay, just copy it from here. So I will get P of, we are dividing by x plus 3, so P of minus 3. Here we are getting minus 3 power 4 plus 2 into minus 3 cube minus 2 into minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 and minus 3. So minus 3 power 4 is 81. Then here we have minus sign because negative power, odd number is negative. So it is 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 27 to the 54. So this is minus 54. Then here 3 3 is 9, 9 to the 18, minus 18. Then here it is minus 6, then minus 3. So here it is 81 minus, now add them, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8 is 21, so 1 I will write. Now 5 plus 3 8, so 81 minus 81 is 0. Also, so remainder we got 0, so therefore x plus 3 is a factor of px. Therefore px is divisible by x plus 3. I will say that therefore px is divisible by x plus 3. Okay, now let us find remainder when px is divisible by, what is second factor we got? X minus 1. So remainder will be by remainder theorem. I will say that by remainder theorem p of 1 will be remainder. Now again px, so the value of px is this, so therefore p of 1, we find p of 1, it is 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3. So what we got? 0. So therefore px is also divisible by x plus 1. So therefore px is divisible by x plus 1 as well as x plus 3, x plus 1 as well as x plus 3. Therefore px is divisible by x plus 1 into x plus 3, that is by x square x plus 3 and x minus 1. This is x minus 1, not x plus 1, it is x minus 1. Okay, so that is x square plus 2x minus 3, hence proved. There are a few more questions in this section that I will cover in next lecture. Okay, so that will be continuation of this. Thank you for being with me in this lecture. Namaste class. In the last lecture we have seen this 26th question. Now we will solve the second part, which is if a plus b plus c is 5 and ab plus bc plus ca is 10, then we have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to minus 25. So what is given? It is given a plus b plus c is equals to, a plus b plus c is 5, then ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 10. This is given, and what we have to prove? We have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to, this we have to prove that this is equals to minus 25. Minus 25. Okay. So we will use the identity. We know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, right? I hope you remember this identity. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now the value of A plus B plus C is there, but we don't know the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So let us use identity of A square. So we know that A plus B plus C the whole square is A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB minus 2BC. So I will take minus common. So AB plus BC plus CA. So therefore this is 5 square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA is 10. So therefore A square plus B square plus C square will be equal to 5 5s are 25 plus 2 10s are 20. This is equals to 45. So A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 45. Now A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So now A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus, I will use one bracket, minus AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So this is equals to A plus B plus C is 5. In other bracket I have A square plus B square plus C square is 45 minus 10. So this is 5 into 45 minus 10 is 35. So we have to prove that this is equals to minus 25, but here we are not getting minus 25. That means there is some mistake in the problem. We are doing something wrong. Let us check again. A plus B plus C the whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus, this is not minus sign, this is plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. So it is plus. So it is plus 20. It will go on that side and it will become minus 20. So this will become 20 minus 25 minus 20 is 5. So A square plus B square plus C square is 5. So here in place of 45 we replace 5. So this is 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So 5 into minus 5. So this will give me minus 25. Hence proved. Okay. Now let us see the next part. Question number 27. In the given figure, if XP is perpendicular to YZ, angle YLZ is 100 degrees Celsius. Angle PXZ, where is P? X is here, PX is at 45 degree. Then find the value of A, B and C. Okay. So how to solve this problem? This 90 degree is given. Now this is 100 degree. This angle C we don't know. This angle B. Okay. So first to take triangle XPZ. So I will say that in triangle XPZ, angle X plus angle P plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. This is sum of all angle of triangle. So value of X is 45 plus value of P is 90. Value of Z that we have to find out. Value of Z is angle B. So write it B is equals to, this is 180 degree. So therefore angle B is equals to 180 degree minus 135 is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is 45 degree. So angle B is 45 degree. Now once we get angle B, now we take triangle YLZ. So in triangle YLZ, again here also angle Y plus angle L plus angle Z is 180 degree. Therefore angle Y is A, angle L is 100 degree, angle Z is 45 degree. So their sum is 180 degree. Therefore A is equals to 180 degree minus 145 degree. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 35 degree. Value of A is 35 degree. Now we got value of A, we got value of B. Now we have to find this value C. So this angle C, if I take triangle, here let us mark this point as X, or what I will say that angle C is A plus 90 degree. Exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. For this triangle, this is exterior angle. So angle C is equals to A plus 90 degree. We say that exterior angle theorem. So angle A is 35 plus 90 is equals to 125 degree. Okay. So angle ABAC we have find out. Now see, you can see that for triangle YP, and we name this point something, say Q. So in YPQ triangle, this angle C is exterior angle, so it will be equals to angle A plus this angle P, which is 90 degree. Simple question. Next question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD, AD equal to BC. We have to show that angle A is equals to angle B, angle C is equals to angle D. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. Or second question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA. AC is diagonal. We have to show that SR parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. PQ is equals to SR, PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, so one by one we will see both the problems. First, ABCD. So ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C and D. Now what is given? We have given that AB parallel to CD. Also it is given that AD is equals to BC. We have to prove, first we have to prove that angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A equal to angle B. Second, we have to prove angle C equal to angle D. Third, we have to prove triangle ABC, triangle ABC. So I will join these 2 points. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. So I join this. So triangle we have triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And last, we have to prove that AC is equals to BD. Diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. So how we prove? If I draw perpendicular, means if I construct one perpendicular at this point and one perpendicular at this point. Okay, so let us do this construction. Now if I do this construction, then what? Then first of all, this DE and CF, they are going to be equal because they are distance between two parallel lines. Then angle DEA 90 degree, CFB is 90 degree because this is construction, and AD is equals to BC is given. AD and BC are hypotenuse. So by RHS, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, I can prove that this angle A and angle B, which are corresponding angle, they are equal. So in construction, let us say draw DE perpendicular to AB and CF perpendicular to AB. This is our construction. Now I will do proof here. In triangle DEA and triangle CFB, angle E is equals to angle F, each 90 degree. DE is equals to CF, distance between two parallel lines. And AD is equals to BC. This is given. So therefore, triangle DEA is congruent to triangle CFB. This is RHS criteria. So these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle B. They are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Similarly, I will say that we can prove or else what I will say, instead of writing similarly, I will consider this as equation 1. Now angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree and angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. This is interior angle. So your AB and CD are parallel, then their interior angle are supplementary, so their addition is 180 degree. Now in 1 and 2 we have said that A and B are equal, so if A B equal and their addition is 180, so I will say that angle C and angle D equal. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 I will say, from 1 and 2 I will say that angle B is equals to angle C. This we consider as third equation. Now I can take triangle triangle ABC and BAD. So let us do that proof on this side. We can now remove this given part, or else what I will do, I will copy this triangle from here and let us place somewhere here. Now in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, AB is equals to BA. This is common side. Angle in ABC, angle B, and in BAD, angle A, they are equal. We have just proved from 1, I will say. And so this side is common. This angle is equals to this angle, and this BC is equals to AD. BC is equals to AD. This is again given. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Now here side angle side criteria, SAS criteria. So therefore I can say that AC diagonal is equals to BD. They are corresponding part of congruent triangle. So by simplicity we have proved. Done this first part. Okay. Now the second part. What a problem. Okay. Second part, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoint AB, BC, CD and DA. So let us first draw one quadrilateral. Suppose like this, A, B, C and D. ABCD is a quadrilateral and PQRS are the midpoint of AB. So here one point P. On BC we have one point Q. On CD we have one point R, and on AD we have point S, PQRS. They are the midpoints. And diagonal AC is a diagonal. Okay, AC is a diagonal. Fine, this is diagonal. We have to show that SR is parallel to AC. So this SR, we have to show that this SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. Second, we have to prove that PQ, this PQ is equal to SR. And third, we have to prove that this PQRS is a parallelogram. So it is very simple. You know what is midpoint theorem, that in a triangle, if I join midpoint of two sides, then the segment joined is parallel to third side and it is half of it. So I will use that theorem and prove this first part. So given, you can write, prove what you have to prove, that you can write here. We will direct start with proof. So I will say that in triangle DAC, S and R are the midpoints. S and R are midpoints of side AD and side DC, AD and DC. So S and R are the midpoints of side AD and DC. So therefore, by midpoint theorem, I will say that this SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. So this first part done. SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. Now we have to prove that SR and PQ are equal. So let us consider this equation 1. Similarly, I will say that this PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. So this we have considered 1, this we consider 2. So from 1 and 2, I will say that SR is equals to PQ or PQ is equals to SR. And PQ is parallel to SR. Now in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite side is parallel and is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So therefore, your quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. So we have done the proof. Simple. Now 29th question. Draw the graph of the equation 3x plus y equal to 6. Find the point where the line meet the two axes. Find the area of triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. So we have to draw the graph of, in 29th question, we have to draw the graph of 3x plus y equal to 6. And then we have to find the point where line meet the two axes. So how to draw the graph of this? For that, we choose 2 or 3 point. So when I take x 0, so this becomes 0 plus y equal to 6. So the value of y will become 6. When I take this y as 0, then 3x equal to 6 and x will become 2. When I take any other value, say if I take y is equals to 3, then 3x plus 3 equal to 6, which gives me 3x is equals to 3 and that gives me x is equals to 1. So now we plot these points on the graph paper. So first 0, 6. So for that we mark some point on x axis and y axis. Say 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. Let us write them as 2, 4, 6. So this is 2, 4, 6. Similarly, along y-axis, we have 2, 4, 6. Now first point is 0, 6. So along x-axis 0, along y-axis 6. So this is the point. Second point is 2, 0. So along x-axis 2, along y-axis 0. So this is the point. And third point is 1, 3. So 1 is here and 3 is somewhere here. So third point is this. So now we can see that a line passes through these 3 points. So let us draw a line which passes through this 6 and then it goes from this point to. Okay. Let's draw again a line passing through 6 and passing through 2. Okay, now it is little better. So this is the line. You can mark an arrow on this line and write the equation, which is 3x plus y equal to 6. Now we have to find the area, find the point where they meet to the axis. So we have figured out, and we have to find the area of triangle. So let us mark these points. This is our origin O. Let us say this is point A, this is point B. So first I will write as seen in graph, line intersect x-axis at point B. We have marked B point here. Intersect at point B, whose coordinate is 2, 0, and y-axis at point A, which is 0, 6. And second, area of triangle AOB, area of triangle AOB is equals to half into base is OB and to height is AO. So this becomes half. The value of OB is 2 and the value of OA is 6. So this 2 cancel and I get 6 square. This is area. So we say that this is square unit. 6 square unit is the area of triangle AOB. Now 30th question is ABC. We have to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 6.5, AB plus AC is 10 and angle C is 60 degree. So let us take this problem. We have to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 6.5. So first you have to draw a rough diagram. So this is like a rough sketch. Okay, this will give you an idea what you have to do. This is your BC 6.5. This is your angle C 60 degree, and this is your point A, and AB plus AC 10 is given. So when side of means length of sides other than base is given, sum of sides, then for construction what we do? First we draw a line BC of 6.5. Then at point C we draw an angle of 60 degree. So from here we draw an angle which is at 60 degrees. So it will be something like this. Okay, straight line is difficult to draw from here. So it goes like this. Okay, now this is okay, fine. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. How you can construct 60 degree? You know, you have to construct this 60 degree using your rounder. Okay, now on this you cut an arc which is equal to 11 centimeter, and you can name that point as A dash. Now you have to join this B and A dash. So let us join this B and A dash. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this A dash B. So perpendicular bisector of A dash B, it will be something like this. This angle is 90 degree and this part is equal to this part, perpendicular bisector of AB. Where it intersect this side CA dash, mark this point as A. Then your triangle ABC, so A to B, then this B to C, and then this A to C will be your required triangle. This is how we do the construction. So here they have not asked me to write the steps of construction, so I will just draw it. But properly teacher should understand how you have drawn perpendicular bisector, how you have drawn 60 degree angle, right? So that must be properly legible, and there should not be any overwriting in the diagram. So it should be neat and clean, then only you can get full marks in construction. So this is how we have finished our first paper. Now if you see, total time we have taken is 3 hours. Okay, so yes, it is difficult to complete paper in 3 hours. For that you should have a good amount of practice. You should have a thorough understanding of each and every chapter. Now during this paper, if you find that you find difficulty in any of the particular chapter, then better you first revise that chapter. Okay, or after doing this paper, revise that chapter again. Thank you. We will see you in other lecture with a new paper. Thank you again for being with me in this paper.